this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable notifications from Substack app. So if you're getting a lot of notifications or alerts from Substack app and you wish to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and find your Substack app and long press on it to access its app info page. As you can see, I have here this option for app info. For your case, if you can't see this, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Go ahead and tap on any of this. So I'll tap on app info and this will take me to Substack app info page. For this, go to permission section and look for notifications. As you can see, notifications is turned to yes. The reason why you are getting those notifications is because all these have been turned on, and among the notifications you have been receiving will include floating notifications, lock screen notifications, play sound, vibration, as well as permanent notifications, not forgetting notification badges. As you can see, there are too many. To put an end to this, go ahead and just toggle these off, show notifications, and from now you will never again receive those notifications. So that's how you can permanently stop notifications from Substack app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.